Hello friend, welcome to our iOS TicTacToe simple game on UI Kit framework. This is Golden Thumb. So in the last video, we implemented the Advertise button to send out nearby service advertisement, right? Waiting for the other peers, right, to connect to itself or to invite the connection. Now in this video, let's implement the other half of the story. Okay, so we'll add another button to do the invitation, right? To invite the advertiser itself. Okay, so we'll start from main storyboard by adding another button under advertise, another button, and put it here. Make it the same width of the screen. We just use the simple layout so we can focus on the multipeer connectivity instead of the UI details. So we'll use a big font, large title. Yeah, the button, the text will be in white. Let's check here. We can get some hint for the naming, right? Advertiser did receive invitation, right? Invitation from peer, so it means we'll do invite for this button. So invite. Okay, so one side advertise this, the other side invites. Okay, enter. Now we need the connection between this button to our view controller. Hold down option key, click view controller. Okay, now select that and the control drag to here. Yeah, invite is the best name for this button. Okay, now we done this one, and we can hide this so we can focus on our code. Oh, let's run it. Okay, let's run it on our iPhone simulator. Run it, and this one is gone. Let's put it here. Oh, we didn't apply the auto layout constraint. That's why the UI is terrible. So let's click here and add the 3 auto layout constraints, and yeah, now try it again, run it. Yeah, it's good now. So invite. Now let's go to our code here. Invite, we use MC browser view controller. Okay, so let's create one here. Browser, we know its name this time. MC browser view controller. Yeah, let's create one here. Yes, we'll use this service type and session. Session we know is we already have that. We'll use this session. We created at the function, inside the function view did load. But the service type is this one, right? So invite is from this guy, right? This guy will invite the advertiser on the left. So this one is shared in 2 places. So let's create a constant here. Yeah, let service type equals that. So service type. Now we can use the same thing here, service type. So we centralized this one, right? So we don't need to modify in two different places when we want to change it. Session is our session, that's easy. And we also need to implement the delegate MC browser view controller delegate, so we can get the callback from the platform. So we'll add it here. Yeah, extension TicTacToe view controller MC browser view controller delegate. Yeah, wait for a few seconds to get the auto fix for us. There are two functions to fill in. Let's remove the empty lines here. So, the callback is simple here because we don't need to do much. We just want to dismiss the pop-up view controller. Okay, so we just need to dismiss animated completion. Yeah, animated true completion. We don't need anything here. So this will be called when control did finish. Okay, we finished the handling the invitation, right? And here it happens when it's cancelled. For example, there's a like incoming call or something like that. We can stop the multi-peer activity, multi-peer connectivity and events. So we also want to dismiss it, right? Sure, like that. Can we remove this part? Command B. Oh, it compiles. So actually we don't even need to put it here. Command B. Oh, nice. That's short and neat. Okay, now we have that. We need to set its delegate right to ourselves. Delegate to ourselves. Then browser dot. No, we want to, when we click the invite button right here, we want to pop up present the view controller. Okay, so present this one, view controller to present, right? That's the browser here. Animated true. Yeah, completion. We don't need anything there. Now we can try it. Yeah. So okay, we can still use the old version of this app, but we need to update this guy. So here is the old version. Okay, so advertise, invite. Yeah. Oh, choose. There's nothing here. What happened? Okay, there is a reason. I guess we needed to do something in this plist file. That's because in the latest iOS device we need to provide some configuration here to allow multi-peer connectivity. If we forget like which two entries we need to put into this our info.property list file, we can Google it, right? Search something like multi-peer connectivity failed, then we can get some this answer here. So search this multi-peer connectivity does not work for as expected on iOS 14 and above. So we need to add like 2 entries here. One is privacy, and put a description here. Oh, this answer happens to be TicTacToe. That's cool. Okay. And the second one is bonjour service, and item 0, and put our service type underscore service type dot. Yeah, this is their service type. In our case, it's GT dash TicTacToe. Okay, so here dot underscore TCP. So that simply follow its suggestion. So go here. Yeah, it's tricky if this is the first time for you to handle this info property list file. Yeah, to add it, you need to put a cursor here. You see? Wow. There's an add sign here, right? Let me make it enlarged, like that. Okay. So click the add. Now we can use privacy and local network, local network, this guy, description. Okay, so double click here and we can just copy their message, right? And TicTacToe uses the local network to connect what? To connect with players around you. Okay, that's good. To connect peer, or to connect players around you. Okay, let's use that. TicTacToe. Oh, this is not. Yeah. So this will be popped up the first time when you try to use your real device, like asking for the permission of the owner of the device. Do you allow this permission, right, to use the local network? Okay, so now next one we'll add bonjour, bonjour services. Yes, that's one. Click somewhere. Okay, so we can expand that, then we can show, yeah, here you see, unfold that one, we can see the item 0 here, right? Then we'll add our let's make a copy of the service type here. We need underscore that guy dot underscore TCP there. Just follow this suggestion here. Underscore service type dot underscore TCP. TCP is the like this famous network protocol. Okay, so underscore copy dot underscore TCP. Yeah. Now let's try it again. So, oh, maybe we need to update the other part now. Okay, so let's run this one first, then we'll switch. Yeah, we load this one, then we'll switch to the iPod Touch simulator and run that one. So this time we have to launch the app on iPhone using this. Okay, now still we'll use the iPod as the advertiser. Click that and go to here, the inviter, right? Invite. Oh, it still doesn't work. Okay, now what we are missing is we haven't implemented another delegate. So let's go back to here. We need to adopt the 3 protocols. The third one is extension TicTacToe is MC session delegate. There are 5 functions to implement here, I guess. Yes, and we just keep it empty for now. And here, after we create the session, we need to set session dot delegate to self. Now let's try it again and rerun that and switch to our iPhone simulator and load this guy. Oh, let me try it again. Load. Oh yeah, this one is iPhone. Now we should have everything ready. Okay, advertise, invite. Making mistakes is the best way to learn. Okay, so the problem here is I use a local variable for nearby service advertiser. So I think after this block of code finishes, it's gone. So this is not allowed. So we need to put this one as instant variable. Okay, so private var nearby service advertiser. Okay, copy that, remove this one. The data type is MC nearby service advertiser, like that. Now it has to work because we have already tried everything we can, hopefully. So now let's switch to the other one. Yeah, TicTacToe. Now again, advertise, invite. Yes, you see, iPod touch. Select that, connect it. Cool, done. Now we should be able to send data between the 2 peers. Okay, we'll try that in our next video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.